This extra crunch recipe, use 300 grams cashew nut, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons water, 2 teaspoons flour and 1/3 of a teaspoon salt. Combine sugar and water, stir to get all sugar dissolved. Combine 2 teaspoons of flour with sugar solution, mix to form a smooth batter. Coat cashew with a thin layer of batter mix. Mix and fold thoroughly with large spoon or spatula. Sprinkle 1/3 teaspoon of salt, toss and stir to coat evenly. Other spices can be added if desired. Spread the nuts evenly on the air fryer baking tray. Toast at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. Stir the nuts around. You may need to break apart a few that have stuck together.